Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Hills again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Milestone credit card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Milestone credit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in milestone.myfinanceservice.com like this, and hit enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Milestone MasterCard. And on this page you can see the login page. This is the login page directly, and you can see the take the next step with the Milestone MasterCard over here. And to log into your Milestone credit card account over here, enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, which you had registered on Milestone at the time of creating your account. And after that, click on login to sign into your Milestone credit card account. Or if you have forgotten your password or your username, you can simply click on forgot your username or password to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not created an account on Milestone, simply click on register your account to go through a procedure to register an account on Milestone MasterCard. And guys, this is how you log into your Milestone credit card account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.